Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will introduce a blockchain browser. It is NetBox. First of all, I want to tell about the history of web browsers. Before the web browsers we knew today, there were the first browsers, which are no longer in use or have highly evolved. In 1990, the World Wide Web was the first browser ever created by W3C director Tim Berners-Lee, then renamed Research to differentiate from the actual World Wide Web. Unlike today, these were the only browsers and the only way to understand the web. In 1992, Linux was the text-based browser that couldn't display any graphic content. In 1993, Mosaic was the first browser to allow images embedded in text, making it the world's first most popular browser. In 1994, a noticeable improvement to Mosaic came Netscape Navigator. In 1995, Internet Explorer made its debut as Microsoft's first web browser. In 1996, Opera started as a research project. In 1994, that finally went public 2 years later. This was also arguably the beginning of the browser wars, mainly between IE3 and Navigator 3, as Internet Explorer edged ahead with new capabilities. In 2003, Apple's Safari browser was released specifically for Macintosh computers instead of Navigator. In 2004, Mozilla launched Firefox as Netscape Navigator phased out. In 2007, Mobile Safari was introduced as Apple's mobile web browser and continues to dominate the iOS market. In 2008, Google Chrome appeared to soon take over the browser market. In 2011, Opera Mini was released to focus on the fast-growing mobile browser market. In 2015, Microsoft Edge was born to compete Google. There are the browser's timeline, and today I want to talk about NetBox. It is the first blockchain browser in the world with shared network and communication technology. We can go to the homepage of NetBox at the link netbox.global. It is the first decentralized blockchain-based web browser. Be free, be smart, be independent. Surf the web with NetBox browsers and get rewarded. We can download to our PC and get 20 NetBox coins for free. The reward of NetBox Global is, unlike usual web browsers, NetBox browsers are not a blockchain. The more NetBox browsers there are online, the more fast and stable NetBox chain is. The whole architecture of NetBox Trade is designed to provide rewards for active network browser users. Install NetBox browser now and get 20 NetBox coins straight away. The offer is limited. Only the first 125,000 browser users will receive 20 NetBox coins each. Browser the web, the way you got user to and get rewarded. The more time you spend in NetBox browser, the more NetBox coins you get. Stack your NetBox coins and get rewarded. NetBox browsers is not just a web browser, but a blockchain node. Participate in blockchain infrastructure with POS and get rewarded. Masternodes have the following features: ensure regular income for their owner, ensure the privacy of transactions by mixing coins on masternodes, so on. If you are interested in running a masternode, please click here to learn more. This is reward distribution per each block. It consists of 50% masternode reward, 21% staking reward, 21% activity reward, and 8% team reward. Founders of NetBox Global state, a browser is a product that is an entry point to the internet, and its users are a huge community that is committed to network transparency and self-regulation. That is why we decided to create a blockchain-based NetBox browsers, which users are distributed around the world and are able to join their forces to create a new transparent internet access tool. The NetBox global infrastructure and its key products. NetBox browsers are the tools in the hands of a wide community of users, each and every one of which has and exercised their right to have a free global network owned by them. It is a roadmap of NetBox Global. Web browsers. In 2019, the first decentralized web browser with integrated blockchain node includes NetBox Wallet, which is credited with rewards for the active users of browsers. Next, NetBox Chain and NetBox Coin, blockchain network and cryptocurrency, a distributed ledger for the operation of the network global infrastructure and products. It is based on POS and a masternode subnet. It uses the NetBox coin and as an internal cryptocurrency. Next up, NetBox Store, distributed application marketplace, the App Store for free and self-distributed application users in the NetBox browser. The first app based on NetBox browser is a battleship game. From 2019 to 2020, NetBox Wallet, multi-currency crypto wallet, it is integrated into the NetBox browser. It features storage, exchange, and transactions using both a NetBox coin cryptocurrency and other cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. In 2020, NetBox Pay, payment gateway, payment transactions in online stores, insurance, payment cost of online transactions, automatic top-up of the card account using cryptocurrency accounts. NetBox Vote, initiative and voting tool, a mechanism built into the NetBox chain for managing the development of the NetBox Global project. Next is NetBox Trust, website trust rating, blockchain-based web pages, rating done by users and for users. NetBox Video, blockchain video hosting service, a video hosting service based on a distributed storage space and a distributed index located within the blockchain. In 2021, NetBox Drive, distributed cloud storage for users' files based on a distributed storage space and distributed index located within the blockchain. NetBox Proxy, distributed proxy, a client-node network to provide unchargeable internet access using NetBox browsers. There are some information about NetBox Global, such as account download, NetBox Trade and Coin, NetBox Wallet, NetBox Pay, NetBox Trust, Vote, Proxy, Video, Drive, Store, about the team, white paper, economy of company, and infrastructure with Explorer, Masternodes, and contact the Network Global with Discord, LinkedIn, Twitter, Medium, GitHub, and YouTube. That's all about some information about NetBox Global. If you have some question about this browser, please comment under my video. Thanks for watching. See you later and goodbye.